Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Curious Party. So today's topic is all about Zoom Cloud Meetings app. Before jumping into the video, if you are new to my channel, just subscribe my channel. If you forgot to subscribe, do subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any updates from my video. So what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for Zoom Cloud Meetings app and hit the install button. So let it get downloaded. So in today's video what we're gonna see is how to create a account in Zoom, how to sign in, how to schedule a meeting and how to join a Zoom Cloud Meetings. So I don't use the Zoom Cloud Meetings, but I was eager to know how it works. So I created this video. If you are using the Zoom app, do let me know in the comment section. If you are not using the Zoom app, then give it a try to watch this. So let it get download. So the download process is over. Now the app is getting installed. Wait for a few seconds. The open option will pop up. From there you can open, or you can go back and you can click on the icon and you can open. I will show you how to do. There is a Zoom icon, you can click on that. This is the way it opens and the page look like this. You have three options: join meeting, sign up and sign in. I am going to create account, so you have to click sign up, and there it asks for date of birth. You have to give the date of birth appropriately. It checks for the eligibility. If you give the wrong date of birth, it denies your eligibility. So give the proper date of birth. This is for example, I have used this. This is not my DOB. So click on set option. Now it will ask for a mail ID. Give your mail ID, first name and last name. In this mail ID only you will get the link to activate your account, and after giving that, click on sign up button. So you have to go to Gmail or Yahoo or anything, the mail ID you have given, and click the activate account. It will take you to this page where it will ask for your account. Are you signing on behalf of your school? That it is shown. It is not clear here. It will ask for two options, yes or no. As I am not going to sign in on behalf of school, I am going to select the option no and next continue. So it is not stable. So I closed the ad which was showing there. Select no and continue. Now it will ask to give the password. Password has some criteria. So you have to use one uppercase, one number and one special character, and least of 8 characters. So give the appropriate password. Do not share with anyone, and give the confirm password as well, and click on continue. Then that's it. Your account will get created. Now I will show you how to sign in with the account. Again select Zoom app icon, and here now you have to click the option sign in, right hand side corner. Sign in option you have to select, and now you have to enter your mail ID and password and select sign in. So now we will land up in the page like this. Here now we will see how to schedule a meeting. So we'll select schedule from the options, and there we have meeting ID and password given. You can select the date, time. For example purpose, I've selected the same day. Timing is like 3 minutes of meeting. So like from timing I have selected 9:45. It will tell based on my plan I can do a meeting of 40 minutes. Is what it is telling. Click on OK, and then you have to set the date and time for 2 options. So the same day, timing I will change to 9:47 and OK. So this is the way you will schedule the meeting. Add to calendar option you can add so that it will notify you. Now you can see we have scheduled a meeting. Go to the meeting option. There you can see your personal meeting ID, which you can share with whomever you want to add to the meeting via send invitation. You can invite participants via mail, messages, the options now, and you can hit the join button to join the meeting. This is for when you are host. So it will ask for some permissions like audio and video, and you have an option to see the participants who are all joined, and you have chat option to convey any message to the participants during the meeting. It will be very helpful if your mic doesn't work. So this is one example message. Hi, I have shown. There are 2 options like mic and video. If you don't want to turn on your video, you can just turn off the video, and you have to be mute all the time. If you're a host, you can unmute and talk. If you're a participant, put on mute during the call, and when you want to talk, you can unmute. And when you click on Zoom, you can see the details. And if you want to end the call, click on the end option above and end meeting for all if you are a host. If you want to leave a meeting, you can click on leave meeting. So this is how you can schedule your call. Now we'll see how to join a call when you have meeting ID and password with you. So you have to click join meeting, and you have to give the 10-digit meeting ID. So I have given the meeting ID which I created just now, and you can change your name also. For most of the people it will come as a device name. You can change and rename as your name, and you can turn off your video, and you can join the meeting. If you want to turn on, you can turn on and join the meeting. It will show like this. Let's get connected. Wait for a minute. Yeah, let's get started. So if you like my video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.